Hello, this is Jimmy Master Animatronics. I have here today is a Jimmy. I did have a Jimmy Mockingbird. Both of them they got destroyed, but this one is feel like it's a Jimmy item, but I really don't know. It doesn't really say, but I keep it as a Jimmy item. You know. I think this was Jimmy in the back, no, it didn't. But anyway, this is kind of a Jimmy item. So, I got this at the thrift store a while back. It was the this is the major thrift store where I got the green is and the Zizzles, and some other Jimmy items, and the Celebration Santa. I got this $2.99. It says on the tag on here, the sticker. I can just take that off, but I just have to leave it. And this thing comes off, and then it can hold on. Like you can have a little hook in the ceiling, and you just hang it onto the, you know. It takes six. One, two, three, four. It takes six AA batteries. The mouth works. The ears flat, and I might get some few versions for my collection. But I have to be really patient. So yeah, let me go to the back. There's a switch there, on and off, and then I will demonstrate to. Hello? 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 This is G-Mouse Metronics. Well, what have you here?
What have you here?
You must be amethyst, you must be garnet, big diamonds, pearl. Well, she took you with her, that's just well.
You must be amethyst, you must be garnet, big diamonds, pearl. Well, she took you with her, that's just well. You must be amethyst, you must be garnet, big diamonds, pearl. Well, she took you with her, that's just well.
Okay, that's kind of creepy. Let me repeat again.
Okay, that's kind of creepy. Let me repeat again. Okay, that's kind of creepy. Let me repeat again.
Back.
Back.
Oh, for the baby.
Oh, for the baby. Oh, for the baby.
Okay. The high. Spinel. Okay, that's kind of like a good working item. So I don't even know how much money it costs, because usually on the pawn shop or pawn stores, like, well, no, and also the show called American Pictures, they're usually trying to find these, and sometimes one time they found these, so one of these they'd stop working, so it didn't really work at all. But it was different item like this. I don't think it's Jimmy, but it's different item like this. But he's on like the bird's on the branch, and the bird is saying it repeat everything you say, but it's a different mockingbird. But the ones that I have, I need to take care of it. But the ones a lot older worth a lot more money than the ones that we have now. The ones we have now still look that much money, but patient, if we take care of it, it will worth a lot more, but we don't know. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.